what I bought for my doorbell ring. It's a ring doorbell and charm, and this is, you don't need to wire the doorbell. You just using the battery, and you have to bought this two items, cost about $160. But okay, so we already did it, and just to show you that. Okay. Today is June 19th. It's Sunday. Happy Father's Day and 2022. I'm putting a ring doorbell. Just got it from Amazon, about $145. So this is what you're gonna do. First, you want to line up your bracket and then drill the hole. Yeah, so line it up. So it's got it all, and then now you want to put the screw in here and hiding it. Put number 5 class and come over here. Do it close up. Shut it up. 4 screw in, and since I'm drilling it, so you want to use Philip. So this, so you want to tighten it. And my son Anthony, he helped me. So that's, and one more. Okay, shut off this and good. Now you can, there's a bracket, and there's a back slot here, and you can put bracket in here and snap it. So basically it, and turn it on. Turn it on. And here it is, and now I'm gonna go hook it up inside the house. I bought a chamber. Okay, bye. So this is I kind of basically do we rip this often?
Huh? Yeah.
So remove the sticker.
That's like screen protection and it gets cut on that.
Oh, that one again? Oh, it is screen protect. Oh, why am I ripping off?
Yeah, don't rip it off.
I did already. Okay, bye. So this is my son Anthony. So we're gonna test out. Go ahead. Yeah, so you can hear the. Okay, good job. We're doing good. Yeah, today I'm just installing my ring doorbell, and this comes with this system for audio and video. I bought the doorbell, and then I also bought the cam so that you can hear about inside outside. Anthony, can you ring the doorbell? So this cam is helping hear the inside. Okay, one more time. One more time. Okay, we're gonna open, go back. The blue light you see here, that's a cam that I bought, and we have to load the app. Okay, this is some. Okay. Oh, it's working. Oh, here my son. Hello. It's Anthony. Hello. He just opened. Who are you? Oh, I'm your daddy. I just. Who is that? That's my doorbell. Okay, bye-bye. Close the door. We got pets on the video. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Then back on the door like that. Hold on. Then when I ring, you have to pick it up. So I'm gonna. Ready?